In this lesson, we will explore two of the most popular text editors in Linux terminal window, Nano and Vim. Let's check them out. Nano is a user-friendly text editor that comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. It's just perfect for making quick edits and managing configuration files. And it's my favorite editor as well. To kick things off, open up Nano by typing Nano, followed by the file name you want to create or edit. Nano will create a new file if it doesn't already exist, or open the existing one, displaying its content. Now let's talk about some basic navigation tips in Nano. Simply use the arrow keys to move around the file. What's really cool about Nano? The handy cheat sheet at the bottom, showing the most common commands you'll use. Just remember to use the Control or Alt key with the commands. If it's preceded by a caret character, it means you have to press Control. And if it's preceded by a capital M, then you press the Alt key. For example, pressing Ctrl G opens the Nano Help menu, while Alt 6 copies the highlighted text. When it comes to editing, just start typing to add or modify text. To delete text, use the backspace or delete key. Need to search for text in Nano? No problem. Press Ctrl W, type your search query, and hit enter. Nano will highlight the first occurrence, like magic. Now to continue searching, press Ctrl W and then Alt W. Ready to save your work? No problem. Press Ctrl O and you'll see a prompt at the bottom asking you to confirm the file name. Hit enter to save the file. Let's add some more text here. Once you're done editing, press Ctrl X to exit. If you have unsaved changes, Nano will ask if you want to save them. Press Y to save, N to discard changes, or Ctrl C to cancel and return to editing. In this case, I will press Y, then press Enter to save the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to use Nano in Kali Linux, like the professionals. All right, let's talk about our second text editor, Vim. This text editor is a powerful and versatile tool loved by penetration testers and developers as well. Sure, it has a learning curve, but once you conquer it, you'll overcome any fear you have. To launch Vim, type Vim followed by the file name you want to create or edit. Now, Vim has two main modes: normal mode and insert mode. When you first open Vim, you will be in normal mode, where you can navigate and use commands. To start editing, you need to enter the insert mode. Press I to switch to insert mode, and you will see the word insert at the bottom. To go back to normal mode, you press the escape key. In normal mode, you can use the arrow keys to move around, just like in Nano. Some other navigation shortcuts include the number 0, which will move to the beginning of the line. Also, the $sign will move to the end of the line. And you can use Ctrl U to scroll up and Ctrl D to scroll down. To edit the file, switch to insert mode by pressing I. Then type or modify text as needed. Then to return to normal mode, press the escape key. In normal mode, you can delete text using the X, which will delete the character under the cursor. Now, if you hit the letter D twice, you will delete the entire line. Or capital D, which is equivalent for Shift D on the keyboard, to delete from the cursor to the end of the line. To search in Vim, press the / in normal mode. Type your search query and hit enter. Vim will highlight the first match. If you want, you can press N for the next match or capital N for the previous one. Now to save the file, press and W, and you need to be in normal mode. And you'll see a confirmation message at the bottom. Let's write some more text before exiting. Now to exit, press Q in normal mode. Now here's what's going to happen. If you have unsaved changes, Vim won't let you quit. Finally, to save and exit, press W for write and Q for quitting. Or you can use the character followed by Q character and then the exclamation mark to force exit without saving. And voila, now you're ready to tackle Vim with no fear. Don't worry and keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.